Today we're gonna make this mouse brush. I love that, really, and it's really very easy to make that brush. For this you need a main color, any color which one you prefer. Also yarn, it doesn't matter what you prefer. A big bead for the nose and two smaller big beads for the eye, and a small yarn of a thin black yarn. That's it as material. And also you need a hook. I have here 2.1 millimeter, one needle and one scissor, also my stitch marker. So let's start now, but today I have a very thin, I want to make with this one, it's a very thin cotton yarn. So let's start. We make at first our magic ring, okay? And into the magic ring we're gonna make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull your yarn and close your circle, and in the next row we increase, in the second row we increase all stitches. We're gonna make 2 single crochet in each stitch. So now we have 12 stitches. At the next row we're gonna, you can put your stitch marker to know where the row ends, okay? In the next row we're gonna make 1 single crochet and increase in the next. 1 single crochet, increase in the next, until end of the row. So now at this row we're gonna make 2 single crochet, 1, 1 and increase. One more time, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and increase until end of the row. The next row we're gonna make 3 single crochet and increase, so 1, 1, 1 and increase, 2 single crochet in the next. One more, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and increase until end of the row. So we're gonna make in the next row 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times. In each stitch 1 single crochet, in the next we increase. So 1, 1, 1, 1 and increase in the next. Also 6 times around the row, and the next row after this row you're gonna make 5 single crochet, increase, also 6 times around the row, and then you have 42 stitches, and I see you again. So I made now also my row with 5 single crochet and increase 6 times around the row, and now we have 42 stitches. You can make also your brooch bigger if you want, but it's up to you. But I think 42 stitches around the row is enough, because if you have a thinner yarn, your brooch is already getting smaller. You understand? This is same tutorial, but it depends to the yarn which one you use. So this one is smaller than this one, the same. That one is bigger. So it depends to your yarn. Now we're gonna make 15 chains here, okay? After the last stitch, we make 15 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now from the hook, from the second chain from the hook, we're gonna make in each stitch, in each chain, 1 single crochet. So we're gonna back the chain, we're gonna back to here, yes, and in each chain we're gonna make 1 single crochet. So I finished my single crochet here, okay, and now I go into the same stitch here where I made my last stitch, okay, like this, and make a slip stitch. And then we're gonna fold our mouse, you know, here, and then we're gonna into the front loop and go also into the back loops here, through the loops, and pull your yarn and pull your yarn again and make a single crochet. So here we're gonna go through this loop and also of the other side and make single crochet. So we sew it together, and this yarn you can hide it inside of your mouse. So we're gonna make now this here, okay, this part here. Into the front loops here and also here back side, and make single crochet, okay, until end. So I finished it, okay, like that. And now we finish it here and leave a long tail, because we need it to sew it, to sew the ears later. When we made the ears, we need it, the long tail, to sew the ears on the head here, okay. And now we're gonna make one more time 2 ears, okay. You need 2 of them. Also we start with magic ring. Into the magic ring we're gonna make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the next row we increase all stitches and we're gonna up to 12 stitches. In each stitch 2 single crochet. Okay, then you have 12 stitches. So we're gonna make one more row for the ear, and here we're gonna make one single crochet and increase in the next, one single crochet, increase in the next 6 times at this row, and then you have 18 stitches, and you're gonna make 2 of the ear. And I see you again. Now I finished my both ears, okay, and with the yarn which I finished here and left long tail, I came up to here, okay, and now we're gonna sew the ears, one in the front and one in the back side. So we're gonna sew one here and one in the back. Like that. Okay. And then I see you again. So I sew now the ears onto the head of our mouse brush, okay? And now I sew at first the big bead to the nose. For that I go in here from the back, in any space here, come out here, and leave here a tail, okay? Go 2 times through the bead with your yarn. And then go in any space here through the body here and come out about here for the eye. And then come out here on the back side, okay? And then make here a knot and hide your yarn inside of the body. So I'm now here on the back side, but I come out here again in the front, okay, to make the mouse here. So now we can make here a knot and hide the yarn inside to the body. So at the end you need a brush needle, okay, like that, this one, something like this. And then you just, if you have a hot glue, you can glue it or you can sew it also with your yarn, and then like that, and then your mouse brush is finished. I'm going to glue it onto the mouse. So I glue now the needle to the mouse directly instead of sewing, and finished my mouse brush. She is so lovely. She is so cute. You can make this in different colors and use in different clothes, your outwears, and make some presents. You can put it on your head, on your scarf, on your coat, sweater, wherever you want. You can use it. Isn't she lovely? She is so lovely. I hope you enjoy my tutorial today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, and thank you for your watching. See you soon. Bye bye.